Hi, my name is Whitney Kapitan, and I'm the president of Clinicians Implant Academy. What is Clinicians Implant Academy, you may ask? We are a wonderful, outstanding educational organization that is taught by oral surgeons, prosthodontists, and periodontists. Our clientele are all of the above, as well as general dentists. What makes CIA different from other implant educational platforms is our continuum of care, so to speak. We want to level up your education. We want to have a relationship with you on your continuation of education. What's unique about us is you're able to learn from some of the best clinicians and specialists in the world. It's specialists teaching specialty care. If you're looking for real-world education that you can apply to your practice and help your patients, we are the place to be. We have cadaver labs to be able to educate you with hands-on learning in a state-of-the-art environment with Experience Anatomy, our partner in our lab. We are also able to work with you after a series of courses to actually take a field trip with us and go help patients overseas. We're partnering with a group in Guatemala where we have a wonderful surgical environment already set up and ready to go. We partner with local oral surgeons and local dentists in the area. At Clinicians Implant Academy, you'll not only have an elite experience with hands-on training in our state-of-the-art cadaver lab, but you'll also have the ability to help patients in a real-life setting. So if you want to learn implants the right way, you want to be trained by the CIA.